Hello, welcome to Winter Trends TV. Before we commence with the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Today we will be discussing the many health benefits of garlic. Good for cardiac health. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, stops the oxidizing of LDL, bad cholesterol. This reduces cholesterol levels and improves heart health. Regular consumption of garlic reduces the incidence of blood clots and thus helps prevent thromboembolism. Garlic also lowers blood pressure, so is good for patients with hypertension. Read more on how to control high blood pressure. Improves brain functioning. Garlic promotes brain health because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is effective against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Improves digestion. Digestive problems improve with the inclusion of raw garlic in the diet. It benefits the intestines and reduces inflammation. Eating raw garlic helps to clear out intestinal worms. The good thing is that it destroys the bad bacteria and protects the good bacteria in the gut. Balances blood sugar. Those who suffer from diabetes observe their blood sugar levels regulating the consumption of raw garlic. Boosts immunity. Garlic protects against free radicals and prevents damage to the DNA. Zinc in garlic promotes immunity. Vitamin C helps to fight off infections. It is very beneficial against eye and ear infections as it has antimicrobial properties. Improves skin health. Garlic helps prevent acne and lightens acne scars. Cold sores, psoriasis, rashes, and blisters can all benefit from the application of garlic use. It also protects against UV rays and therefore prevents aging. Prevents cancer and peptic ulcer because of a high amount of antioxidants. Garlic protects the body against lung, prostate, bladder, stomach, liver, and colon cancer. The antibacterial action of garlic prevents peptic ulcers as it eliminates the contagion from the gut. Good for weight loss. Garlic reduces the expression of genes responsible for the formation of adipose cells which store fat. It also increases thermogenesis in the body and leads to the burning of more fat and the lowering of LDL, bad cholesterol. Apart from the fact that it is good for weight loss, garlic is highly nutritional. Reduces blood toxicity for people who are susceptible to lead poisoning due to occupational hazards. Garlic may be the best organic solution. Studies conducted in 2012 have revealed that garlic is in fact safer and better at reducing lead poisoning of the blood than D-penicillamine, which is the common drug used to treat the same. Fights UTI and improves renal health. Fresh garlic use has the potential to reduce the growth of E. coli bacteria that cause urinary tract infection, UTI. It also helps prevent kidney infections. Garlic reduces infections on wounds, promotes hair growth, bone health, and liver health. Most of the home remedies are effective only if garlic is consumed raw. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.